Hi guys, it's Mark from anypond.com, your trusted resource in the UK for ponds and water features. And today we're here at Woburn Abbey in the gardens, ready for a show. You're going to have to put up with the sound today because we're on a show site and everyone's setting up, so there'll be noise, there'll be distractions, but we're going to have some super fun. Stay tuned for the Any Pond Show Showcase.
That van there, let me move you somewhere else so you can see.
We've finished the show garden here at Woburn Abbey, and have a look at it. It's fantastic. We've got lots of stuff going on. We've got 3 disappearing waterfalls. We've got a glacial boulder one. We've got stacked slate coming out of a patio pond. How unique is that? It absolutely spills out through, and it's very modern, very formal, crisp lines. And also we've got the brown ironstone, which is the Jurassic period from Oxfordshire. The show is tomorrow, and I'm looking forward to a successful weekend. The sun is shining and it will be glorious all weekend. It's come to the end. We're at the Woburn Abbey Flower Show 2018 and it's been a great success. We've had lots and lots of interest for the patio bowls, with the pumps, with the plants, and also on their own. So if you're interested in these patio ponds and you're looking for prices, they're all on the website. Just have a look below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.